Kaspa just listed in ByBit spot trading, and also more exchanges are interested to list Kaspa. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we are about to speak for what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, because as you can clearly see, the Kaspa price today, we pumped more than yesterday and we reached the highest level, which was very close to this massive 0.042 cents, exactly as I have predicted you from these areas. And guys, on this video we're about to see everything. We're about to see the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the top addresses. We're gonna speak for what's maybe the next exchange that will list Kaspa, which is astonishing because guys, the adoption is growing. Okay, and before continuing, I would like to remind you guys a very important tip that you need to hold very well in your mind, because if you remember, everyone was saying that due to the technicals, this head and shoulder pattern, the price of Kaspa will go into the downside, straight into the technical price target of this head and shoulder, which was approximately the 2 cents area. I don't remember exactly where is the technical price target of that, but it's that low price. And I was telling you, while the Kaspa was dropping here and was forming perfectly this head and shoulder pattern, that do not rely only in technicals, because you're gonna end up getting wrecked. And some people right now are getting wrecked because they opened short positions here, or they sold every Kaspa coin at these areas at 0.033 cents, which is devastating, okay, because they relied in technicals. And I was telling you to rely more in fundamentals, okay, 75%, 80% in fundamentals, because with any news, any positive news that can emerge from nowhere, the price will pump, no matter if we have here the most bearish pattern ever, the most bearish indicators, the most bearish situation. Price will pump with the fundamentals, okay? And it happened exactly as I was waiting for. And I told you a specific example that if we're gonna see any kind of exchange that will list Kaspa, because Kaspa isn't backed by any major exchange, and we have got lots of exchanges and we have got lots of interest around Kaspa. So that means in the future, and every month or every couple of weeks, we're about to see new listings until the bull run. Okay, we have got lots of exchanges, and this news can always pump the price of Kaspa. And also Kaspa is backed by diamond hands, and also we don't have actually pre-allocation coins into the team, so no one can crash the Kaspa price, and no one actually can manipulate the Kaspa price. Anyway, on this video we're about to see all of these things. So if you're interested to watch all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before I continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa. So it's gonna be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you're about to find my private Telegram community where you're gonna have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything, and I'm gonna be there for you to reply your concerns and your questions. Also, we have got multimillionaires in that group, lots of guys with very high experience, and also recently we have crypto YouTubers in our family. Also, you're gonna find my crypto portfolio. You're gonna see how I handle my crypto portfolio during the bear market, and also in the bull run when it's gonna come, because I have got experience since 2016 behind my back. I was crypto investor since 2016. And also you're about to see obviously my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So in general, if you are looking to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical update around the Kaspa and the rank and the market cap. Guys, Kaspa right now is starting at 0.039 cents. Within 4 cents, this is where the price fluctuating the last hour, which is super great. Okay, this is crazy because the rest crypto right now is in a bloodbath, and Kaspa actually decoupled completely since yesterday, because the fundamentals, That's why I'm always trying to build you a proper mindset. Do not rely that much in technicals if you are investor. Okay, and I would like from you to be investor here, especially if you are a beginner in the space, because to be a trader you need lots of experience, and it's a different sport. Okay, it's a completely different sport than being investor. Anyway, let's move into the rank. Guys, is 45. I told you guys, as more exchanges list Kaspa, Kaspa will definitely be under top 30, top 20. We're gonna keep moving into the downside in the rank and into the upside from a price perspective, because Kaspa, guys, is a community driven project, and as more people realize the potential of Kaspa, they're buying, they're investing, and they never sell. Okay, this is significant. This is something that if you're gonna do that to another project, the other project, because the pre-allocation, the pre-distribution coins into the team or into the insiders, so these people can actually take profits on you, and they can manipulate the price. Like when the price is neutral, they can dump the price. You can actually panic, fear, sell, whatever. And when the price will get lower and lower, then suddenly they buy again. They create FOMO. You buy in the pump, and they're creating all this type of situation with pumps and dumps, and they're getting crazy profits. They are making millions and or even billions through these fluctuations of the price. This is something that looks scammy, dirty things around, and that's why, guys, these things are not happening in Kaspa, because Kaspa is community driven project. Don't have that scenario. No one can actually manipulate the price, which is crazy. We have approximately above 71% of the total supply out, and not a single percent belongs to someone who got that before even the launch of Kaspa, which is crazy. That's why we're speaking that Kaspa was fair launch project. Anyway, the market cap is 819 million. Some people actually who didn't bought at these areas right now, they think that the train has gone. As I have told you, guys, I recommend you to do dollar cost average. Okay, I believe that we're gonna stay at these areas for a couple long time. So do your dollar cost average. For me personally, if you buy under $1 billion Kaspa, it's extremely cheap. Okay, under 5 cents, it's a big steal, as I have wrote in a title of a previous video. If you cannot actually predict when to buy, if you don't know that thing, just do dollar cost average every day or every week, and you're gonna be fine. Okay, do not be greedy, because when Kaspa will reach $5, $10, $15, $20, you won't even remember if you bought at 0.035 cents or at 0.040 cents. Okay, so just do dollar cost average, and if you need help how to do that, or how to buy and when to buy, go into my Patreon. I'm not giving 100,000 signals every day or day after day. I'm doing the signals, the proper signals that can build you wealth. Okay, as you can clearly see, the first buy signal in Kaspa, I gave it here. And most people bought crazy amounts, crazy bags of Kaspa at this area, the early days of June. And then we saw this insane rally from 0.015 cents up to 0.051 cents. Anyway, so keep doing your DCA. If you need help, join to my Patreon, and we're gonna do that all together. Let's move on into the technicals, because, guys, as you can clearly see, nothing changed since yesterday. We are actually in the same position. If you actually accept this huge rally that happened up to 0.042 cents, which was something that I was expecting since here. If you remember, I was telling you that due to this double bottom, and if we're gonna break this 0.036 cents, the next resistance that we're gonna get straight is the 0.042 cents. And if this gonna break, we're gonna get even higher. Okay, so right now it seems that due to the rest crypto, and especially the Bitcoin is dumping, you can clearly see $25,600. Right now it seems that Kaspa lost some momentum at this moment. We didn't have this crazy rally into 0.044 5 cents, 44 cents, or price like that. But this breakout that happened of this downtrend resistance is very, very significant. Okay, even from the technical side. So we will evaluate again the situation tomorrow when we're going to have the new data, because today we don't have any significant change since yesterday. And let's move on to the hash rate. Hash rate is at 18.29 petahash per second. And before a couple hours, if I don't do any mistake, we did, guys, a new all-time high at 19 petahash per second, which is astonishing. And I have told you that more ASICs that will come until the end of September, the hash rate will be increased. And I believe that definitely we can reach easy close to 30 petahash per second until the end of September. 25 petahash per second within 30 petahash per second is going to be the number, easy. Okay, and also yesterday we saw the reduction, the Kaspa halving, which is happening every month. We saw less Kaspa as a reward, which means that for miners to be profitable, the ASIC miners, they will need to hold their Kaspa and wait for price appreciation. Otherwise, they won't have profits. And for the people who actually believe that ASIC miners will dump the price, guys, look at this. 70%, 71% is out from GPU miners. They cannot dump the price as you think, as many people believe that ASIC miners will crush the Kaspa price at 1 cent. This is not true. Okay, they cannot do absolutely nothing, even if they sell every single Kaspa coin which they're gonna mine. And also, the majority of ASIC miners that I know, they're gonna hold all the Kaspa until 2025. Maybe they're gonna sell a very small portion of Kaspa just to cover the bills, and the rest is gonna be held until 2025. Okay. And from the top addresses, as you can clearly see, we saw some accumulation the last 24 hours in all categories. Because ByBit listing, we saw couple momentum. Okay, people bought here crazy, and very soon we're about to see ByBit in that category. So that's super bullish, and you can clearly notice that whales and people who know what they are doing are buying the dips. That's why, guys, I was telling you here to buy. Do not wait to see an announcement of something to buy, because that's gonna happen suddenly and you're gonna lose the train because no one will warn you from this for this sudden pump. Okay, that's why I was telling you to buy. Do not rely in technicals. Anyway, let's move into the news, the exchange, because ByBit, guys, announced yesterday that it's gonna list Kaspa today. It didn't actually list it yesterday. It listed today before an hour. Right now, you can go and actually buy spot trading from ByBit, because before a couple of weeks we saw that Kaspa listed in ByBit but only in futures. Okay, not in spot trading. And today, before an hour, we saw Kaspa in spot trading too. So that's gonna be very, very, very bullish, because as I told you, we are about to see also ByBit in that top whales wallet. Okay. And lastly, guys, I would like to speak for the exchange that maybe will list Kaspa. As you can clearly see, Huobi did here a prime vote, and they cooperate in that vote Kaspa. And we have got all the other altcoins here, which are not even comparable with Kaspa. It's too funny, and to be honest with you, it pissed me a little bit off how you can compare Kaspa with all of these uh, coins. Okay, I don't know if it's these scam coins or they got some utility, but you cannot compare Kaspa with these coins and actually in a vote. Okay, and as you can clearly see, I wrote here a tweet like Kaspa doesn't even need a vote. Sooner or later, with or without a vote, you will end up listing it into your exchange, because Kaspa has no competition. So as a recommendation, I would say to put it now, because if you leave it later, you will regret it. Mark my words. And I said that because, guys, Kaspa is heading in the top 3 coins. I believe it's going to flip Ethereum, not in 2025, but in the future. So if you don't do it now, you're gonna lose. Okay, you won't be profitable if you won't actually invest in Kaspa and let the people buy Kaspa from your exchange. And that was going obviously into the hobby. And I believe that this type of votes are ridiculous. I'm not gonna actually go there and vote Kaspa. I don't care. Personally, they're gonna end up listing it no matter if we're gonna lose the vote or if we're gonna win the vote. Here it says fight for one seat to list on hobby. Sorry, hobby, but we don't look to fight for these things because you're gonna list it at the end of the day. And I suggest you to list it in 2023 rather than 2024 or 2025 because the train will go at that time. That's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Also follow me on Twitter. Okay, follow me on Twitter because daily I upload couple tweets and are very educational tweets and also very informative tweets around Kaspa. So I recommend you to follow me on my Twitter. You're gonna learn a lot. And also, guys, for the people who ask me where I store my Kaspa, guys, I store my Kaspa in a cold storage, and specifically is the Tazem wallet, which is my preference after heavy investigation that I did in the space. I had the ledger, and after the seed phrase scandal, I switched up to Tazem, and I believe Tazem wallet is the best to store your cryptos, your Kaspa, your Bitcoin, and if you have other altcoins that you believe, Tazem is the way to go. And with CryptoChris code, you're gonna have 10% discount, or by clicking here the link, the Tazem link here, you're gonna have this discount code applied immediately. So I recommend you the Tazem wallet, and it's not sponsored. This cold storage, and it's not sponsored. This cold storage is the cold storage that I use. I will never put here in the description something that I don't use because they pay me crazy money. Okay, I have got a couple offers, put in the description things here, and they pay me like $1,000 to do that, and I don't. Okay, I don't do things that I don't believe. If you see something in the description, it's gonna be something that I personally use. Okay, so thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. And guys, until the next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.